Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today is the boss' birthday, so we're celebrating. And we have some of the favorite foods we're going to cook. I just got some food here from Uber. It's fried rice and veggies. Plus I'm going to make some mango for her, some fried chicken, and pepper wings. And also again, we'd like to tell her, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh. Nobody bring out water for Chris? Cheers.
Hey, happy birthday.
Alright, so I'm going to start. I'm going to put the mango, get the pot here. Put up the mango to boil here. Okay, this up. Let's get the action started. I'm going to put some bun here. You're not teaching Justin how to do these things, you know? He had to do most of the cooking. Justin and Christopher. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Who's your chef in the house?
Chris.
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody here can cook.
Yeah, this is great. I think this should be, banana should be our wonder of the world. The seasoning, you could use this seasoning for anything.
Everybody for right up in the bag.
Yeah. And for all who don't know, I used to work in a hotel, Ramada Inn. So, I ain't learned too much, but this is mine. I'd like to say happy belated birthday to my brother, Deepak Prasad.
They're home months now.
Well, there you go. How belated he get? Also like to say hello to my friend Wazid Bash from Freeport in Trinidad.
Also known as Paro.
Also known as Palo. You know, you complain I don't call your name, well, now your name called Palo. So we are the family. Alright, we have one hot pepper here. I'm going to cut him up. Right, so we have that ready. So what I'm going to do is just wait for that mango to boil up. And then I'll cook the mango. And then while them guys take a drink, it's time for wings. Pepper wings and fried wings. This one. My wife don't drink alcohol, but we have to force her to drink a bit of wine. But for all who don't drink, I want to take a little taste of liquor. This is the wine. So, you know what I mean? It's very tasty.
Hey, you want to start with them? After that, we're going with the knife.
Yeah, what? Buy a knife set for them, complaining, and all the knife missing. Where the knife
Yeah,
thing?
but I just put back the knife inside it. They don't put back the knife.
If you put it back, wouldn't it be there?
He puts all the knives in the drawer.
Hey, don't argue with that man who have a knife in his hand, please.
Hey, he had to separate everything from the drawer and he just put the knife, the spoon, the fork, everything in that same one.
Alright, people tell me something. I want you all to see this. How you going to eat dal and rice and curry with this? Like this spoon have inside it. What's my mouth and what's that?
But I watch your mouth and buy that.
Hey, because it's your birthday, I'm going to get away with that.
Cheers again, cheers again.
Cheers.
But let's say you have two green bottles in your hand. One is the starch and one is the oil. So, I've already boiled the mango. Chunky it now.
Girls.
Come.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yeah, well, we want to come turn in this man pot. You gotta christen it.
You know, if we have to get it in our pocket.
Yeah, I won't taste good at all.
Looking good, looking good. birthday.
Happy birthday.
What I want, fried wings or pepper wings first?
You if you make it fried wings and pepper wings, are they the same thing?
Why you want to know my recipe for? I asked a question.
No,
On fried wings
but here.
or pepper wings?
Here what's going on.
Fried wings and pepper wings.
And they have the fried wings to pepper it? Huh? Answer the question.
Well, you have to fry, but I can fry it differently.
Oh. So what's so different about it? They had to fry it differently.
I'll tell you all the see because I'm going to sell my secret. Anyway, I ask you again one more time. All I want pepper wings first or fried wings first?
Yeah, fried.
Pretty pepper wings.
Just do it one. Do it.
Make the Friday wings first. Friday wings first.
Watch it. If you look at my website, fry this and you'll enter. Hey, that's an idea, you can fry tangerine.
Mango finish.
This is my curry mango. That's masala and curry mixed together. Well, as you seen my video before, how I was making my pepper wings.
Easy.
How I get one and break it up here. I also have my flour here seasoned already. That seasoned with black pepper. I grate a frozen pepper in there, some paprika, and also some black pepper, salt. Season that. And now, action here.
Yeah.
No, we are drinking Absolute, but I don't drink Absolute.
Yeah, absolute garbage.
That was my favorite drink, my Absolute.
Yeah.
Was past tense.
Yeah, they buy
So then Chinese?
a wine.
Darling, I can leave you.
Oh yeah, we have
Straight in the flour. And this is how I start to do my pepper wings. Main ingredient again in pepper wings is pepper. So I finally taken out the pepper wings that they didn't want. What? Well, they wanted, but they didn't make up their mind what they want. Oh, कह दो, ना तुम जो कह दो, प्यार जीवन तमन्ना जवाब कर ले, तमन्ना तमन्ना जवाब कर ले. Oh, कह दो, ना तुम जो कह दो. I can't sing, but I laugh. For those who don't know, we grew up in the era with Kishore Kumar, Rajesh Khanna, and Amitabh Bachchan. So we love those songs. So check my chicken out, golden brown. It's already done fried. That's the pepper wings. So what I'm going to do now, just get it cool for a little bit. And then I'm going to fry up all the onions and everything and get my pepper wings going for the boys so they can eat. And sorry, that's my wife's favorite food, so she didn't hear that.
The Chinese say, when the wok get hot, then throw the oil in. Make it non-stick.
Okay, we go try it today. But just a little bit of oil.
Yeah, well, we can still try.
We got this stuff.
Alright, the man make pepper wings. You know wings is my favorite, so I'll try one. Real good. Hey.
Yep. Yeah, you gotta say good.
But it's just what they eat one too, you know.
Nah,
Yeah.
we don't need to buy no food again.
Nah,
I buy
I'm gonna
food
try the food again.
तुझे हजारों सा एक में भी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Oh, oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sita. Happy birthday to you. A long way straight.
I'm losing count.
Not inside. Not inside. Okay, no, you don't get these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she been hanging on, hanging on cake.
We're supposed to feed her.
Yeah, right. I'm a cake. What have you been hanging on cake?
You see what?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sita. Happy birthday to you.
Grace, holy spoon.
Happy birthday.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sita. Happy birthday to you.